Here I have Doogee S98, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select intelligent scanning, and now let's scan, for example, this QR code. So as you can see, as soon as your phone spots this QR code, it immediately opens a page which is being encoded here. So here we have HardReset.Info. Something interesting, I guess. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.